sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cashros and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this space, hi, my name is Cashros and I'm currently at the University of Lincoln studying my master's program. So guys, today I'm going to be taking you guys around my student apartment. This video is quite long overdue. Like, a lot of you have requested me to show you guys my student apartment, and for a while now lots of students have been around, so I haven't had the time to make the video. But today I just noticed that it's kind of a bit not rowdy because students actually traveled, so and I have decided to show you guys around my student apartment. I'm going to be showing you guys my room and also to show you guys the environment where St. Mark's student apartment is located, and also I'll be showing you guys the kitchen, the kitchen space we make use of. If this is the kind of video you love to watch or you want to learn more about University of Lincoln, maybe you have interest in schooling here, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Hit on that big red button that says subscribe. Join this family because I have more amazing content for you guys. Hey guys, let me show you guys around St. Mark's Student Village. So guys, I decided to start outside to show you guys how the surrounding looks. So this is the outside of St. Mark's. When you stand this place, you can actually see it's just directly opposite to Pizza Hut, where you can get your pizzas and you can get your chops from, and also it's really close to the Isaac Newton building. So this is the student reception hall where you can speak to the receptionist and make complaints, maybe when you have a complaint to make regarding your room, or if there's anything you have to discuss with them. And also we collect our parcels here as well. Like I said, this is very close to Isaac Newton building, which we also take lecture from. And yeah, let's walk down to my apartment. So these are blocks. They have different blocks here. The one by the right is the block B, and then directly opposite to block B we have block F, which is the block I am staying, and adjacent to it we also have another block, which is block A. Yes, that's the block I'm showing you guys. So if you come into this place or you want to book a lodge, they are going to give you your block number and then your apartment number. So this is just like a road map and block map to direct you to the place you're going to, so you don't miss your way. So yes, let's go to my apartment. So this is my block. Like I said, this is the block entrance. You'll be given a key where you can access the entrance with. If you don't have this key, you can't come inside. Yes, this is the card we make use of, and it's just access to the entrance. And you can also dial, but most times when you dial this, maybe you have someone staying upstairs or you have someone you want to visit. Most times when you dial that place or you dial that number there, it doesn't really work most times. So the best thing is either to call the person to come downstairs and pick you, or get access to the key, so you make use of the card when coming in. So we have two entrances. We have another one by the left, and this one I came in from is the one by the right. So but the one by the left, you can't come in from that part. You can only go out from it if you want to. So this is me. Yes, and each of the blocks have elevator there, and this is just so beautiful because it makes your going upstairs and coming downstairs easier for you. So this is my floor. I stay in floor 5, and yeah, you can also ring the bell when you come upstairs, and probably you were lucky for someone to open the door for you downstairs. When you come upstairs and you don't have the key, you can ring that bell there, so someone can just come out and help you to open this floor door. So as soon as you come inside, there's this automatic light that just goes up, and you need your key for all access. This key cannot access any other block apart from your block. So as soon as you come into your room, you have this hanger where you can hang your jackets, you can hang everything like your clothes and all that. And by the left, you have the bathroom where you could take your bath, definitely, where you shower and all that. And then this is where I keep my cosmetics and my body cream. It's just a little space, but it's fair enough. You can maybe put a lot of things in this place, and yeah, each room has a toilet, a bathroom, and this is the shower gel. So literally that is just the bathroom. So let's go out. By the right, you have, by the left, yeah, as soon as you come out from the bathroom, by your left hand side, you have the wall mirror where you can look at yourself and check your clothes, check your outfit to see if it is banging. Yeah, and I think they really did a pleasant job there. So this is the little cupboard, no, not cupboard, this is a little shelf that is just like you can just put your things, and it's just it came with the bed. Yeah, it came with the bed, and you have a free mattress as well there. All you need to get is your bed sheet, bed mattress. Apart from that, you already have the foam and the bed. So these are the wardrobes or the cupboard. These are the cupboard, and they have 3, and also they have the wardrobe as well, which I did not open my wardrobe because I think it's just too much information. So yeah, that's just it for the room. So let's go to the kitchen part, which is actually my favorite part in this building. This is the parlor we make use of. In my flat, we have 8 people in the flat. There are some flats you come in that have 12 people in a flat, and this is 8 people in a flat. And I love the fact that you can actually see what is going on. Like the viewing is amazing. So each of the flats has, if you have 12 people in a flat, you're definitely going to be seeing 3 refrigerators. But because we are 8, we have 2 refrigerators. So this refrigerators is just like 4 people for one of the refrigerator. That's why we have 2 of the refrigerators. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the kitchen. And each kitchen has, this is my space, each person has 2 cupboard space where you can actually put your food stuff, your cooking items, everything you have. Everything that you need for cooking, you literally have access to 2 of the cupboards. But if there is extra one in your floor, you can, maybe if you have extra pot or you have some things you want to store, you can make use of that. But for now, so this is how it looks. And yeah, each floor also have 3 trash cans, which is one for the recycling, the other one for food item, and the other one for general waste. I think that's how it is. So literally the floor is just amazing. Automatic lights, as soon as you open the door, it just come up. So that is it for this flat, guys. So guys, that is it for today's video. What do you think about this apartment? Do you think it's nice? Do you think it's a place you love to live in? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, you've watched this point and you're yet to subscribe, please do what to hit on that big red button that says subscribe. Join my family. Let's grow to 1,000 subscribers already. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. Until next time, see you. Bye.